There's nothing worse than trying to use WhatsApp, especially when you first go into the app and you start seeing shit like this appearing. Completely random groups that you never asked to be added to, but you've found yourself inside them. And it's definitely been getting worse recently. So the question is, how do you stop it from happening? Well, thankfully, there's a very simple way. Tap on the three dots at the top right of your WhatsApp and then go into settings. Now, this may look slightly different if you're not using it for business, but what you're looking for is the privacy section. And you can see it here. Tap on privacy, and then you want to go into groups, which is down the bottom here. And inside groups, there's three options. Now, the default one, who can add me to groups, is everyone. So in other words, you're given permission to anyone that has your phone number, the ability to add you to their group, whether it be crypto, whether it be some other nonsense. The safer option is to change it to my contacts, and that way only people that you have on your contact list on your phone will be able to add you to a group on WhatsApp. Now, there's a possibility that you have some friends or contacts that may have a habit of adding you to a group that you don't want to be added to. So if you end up with repeat offenders, then you can change it to the bottom option here. This way, you can highlight the repeat offender by tapping the button on the right side. That way they won't be able to add you to any groups. But I'm sure for most of you, this option here will be more than suitable. And that's it. Once you've changed that setting, you will not be added to random groups. You will not have your WhatsApp feed filled with absolute nonsense, and you can get back to what you were doing. Hope you found this useful.